HK Strongside here. Today we're going to look at leveling our trailer with this LevelMatePro Plus, which came with these teardrop levelers. We're going to do it all from my phone, right from the cab of the truck. It's going to be awesome. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you get the base unit installed when your camper is perfectly level. So you can do this at home, just perfectly level it out using your basic bubble levels. Then you get this put on there and you'll go through a calibration process on your phone. It's super easy. But I'm going to turn it on now because we're going to go level from the vehicle. 2 beeps says it's ready to go. Okay, so now we're going to open LevelMatePro. This is an app that you're going to install. You will have used this to also set up the device in the camper. It's just going to load up. It's going to find my level in there. Okay, so now it's connected to the device. We can see that we need to come up on the left side. We will put the chalk on the left side. All right, now we know which side needs to be leveled. We're going to take these teardrop levelers. We've got a little rubber mat. We're going to stick this behind the vehicle. Then we're going to take this and we're going to wedge this up into the tire. And we're going to drive back onto that. Once we get level, then we're going to put this chalk in and we're good to go. All right, now we've got the chalk placed. We're going to go ahead and back up onto it. We're going to go really slow, so because it does take just a little bit of a second to register. So here we go. We'll watch that change. Just to give it a second to register. Boom. And that's where we want to be. So now I'm going to throw the emergency brake on so it doesn't move, put it in park, and we'll go chalk the rest of it. Okay, so now you can see that we're up on the teardrop quite a bit. And all we need to do now is just slide this in. And we are wedged and ready to go. So super easy. Now all we have to do is use the tongue to level the front and back, and we're done. We'll also use the app to see that. Right, so now we just gotta jack the tongue up and level it out. We'll check the app here in a sec. Okay, so we just gotta raise this up. As you can see, we have got to go quite a ways. Okay, we're almost there. And boom, right on the money. Look at that, green all around. Now it's perfectly level. Okay, as you put your stabilizer jacks down, make sure to monitor the app so that you don't get it out of level. Super easy. This literally takes like 5 minutes now to level the trailer. I love the LevelMatePro, and hopefully you will too.